a little frog in my boat. Hi, little guy. Trust me, you don't want to go on this trip. Hi, can we come out? Come on, little guy. It's behind there. See his little leg? Come on, sweet thing. You gotta come out. You don't want to be coming on this trip. Come on now. Get away, Kimber. Kimber will eat you. Come on, little froggy. Come on, sweet guy. I'm sorry. Where is he now? Come on, honey. You gotta come out. Where's the little frog? Where'd he go? I can't put the boat on my car till we save the little frog. Come on, honey. You gotta come out. Oh, where is he? I don't know. I think he must be behind there. Shit. Come on, little guy. Darn it. Come on, frog. There's his little legs hanging. He's holding down his little foot. Aw, come on, honey. Come on. You gotta come out. You ready? You gotta grab this little frog. Oh, little thing. It's okay. Oh, it's alright. Oh, in he goes. Oh, boy. Come on, little froggy. You wanna go on my boat? It's okay. It's a... Oh! There he is. There it is. Hi. You're not gonna go behind my bulkhead, are you? Please don't. Oh shit, then we're in trouble. He's gonna... I don't know what to do. What do you think? What should we do? Oh boy. He's gonna go behind my bulkhead. Can't take him out with Killer around. That's for sure. Oh, darn it. He's up on my bulkhead. I'm gonna have to stand the boat upright. To be continued.